Hey, it's Alexandra with WTI.
And one of my absolute favorite hobbies ever since I was a child is reading. Reading brings me comfort. It completely transports me into a different time and setting, and that is one of the reasons why I bought this book by Kristin Hannah called The Great Alone. This is not my first book by Kristin Hannah. Her writing skills are impeccable. I feel like I learn a lot by reading her books, and at the same time, I am super entertained. This book is set in Alaska in 1974. It is a story about love and loss, the fight for survival, and the wilderness that lives both in nature and in man. Not only is Kristin Hannah's writing style extremely entertaining, but also look at how beautiful this book is. I personally love the way my books look in my shelf, and this book is just a beauty to behold. I love the golden letters on the cover, and I love the detail of Alaska at the start and at the end of the book. I am so glad I got this book.
And that is my point of view.